Hi guys, I'm right here in the Bicol University Derga campus, the College of Business, Economics and Management. So I'm going to tell you about the Bachelor of Arts in Accountancy, where is it going, where is it now, and what its current progress, and all about its course. From its ravishing colored blue emblem signifies stability, intelligence, and productivity, the Bachelor of Arts in Accountancy accorded to be one of among the compact and lingering asset of Bicol University, College of Business, Economics, and Management. Upholding numerous national passing rate on Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examination or the CEPAL. So, upholding numerous national passing rate on the Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examination, or the CEPALE. From this noteworthy recognition, continuing support, and confidence is still being eyed to strive harder for the sustenance of its performance for the succeeding CEPALE. So the Department of Accountancy produced professionally competent graduates equipped with necessary skills and character to become leader in the field of accountancy. Strict academic or retention policy and high objectives serve as the holding pens and calculators, marking a long-term foundation to ACPALE. Worksheets, numbers, and calculators. Does it sound mind-numbing? Accountancy is not boring. If you're looking for a big plot twist in your life and a thrill that might turn your world upside down, that's when you know that there's no room for boredom here in accountancy. Stop by and I will tell you more and why. The institution made tough pronouncement between water and fire. Strength doesn't come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. A sturdy quote from Mahatma Gandhi unfolding the willpower of every PSA student here in SEBEM to push through even on tough implementation of DOS policy. The moment that you are admitted on this program speaks a loud voice that Bicol University sees potential on you. So hold your fire. There's more stimulating and rousing gems that needs to be spoken. In case you haven't perceived, accountancy program has been a living legend on Bicol University and established various recognition. Being always on top during board exams are indeed existing testimony that BU Accountancy is undoubtedly being vigorous in comprehending the college's prophecy to produce one-take Sipali passers and tremendous leaders. Welcome to the Accountancy Department, the department where everybody counts. As Bicol University take the credit, we as BSA students process the debit. Hail to BSABEM.
Why BSC? Ano, gusto ko ma-challenge, pero hindi. Dream course ko siya since grade 9. Tapos yun yung lumabas sa test ko kasi mahilig talaga ako magbilang ng pera ganyan. And feeling ko yaman ako dahil sa BSC. Pag naging CPA na ako, basta yun. Why BSC? Kasi wala pa akong CPA sa pamilya. Gusto ko ako na maging CPA sa pamilya. Since hilig naman ako magbilang, hilig ako sa numbers. Siguro kaya naman. Yung mention din like influence sa akin. And mapera din ako. Since elementary, sa BSA na talaga yung
Why BSA? Kailangan ba may rason? Hindi pwedeng gusto ka lang, napilitan lang. Sabi kasi nila, pirma-pirma lang, may pera na. Eh, mukhang pera ko, so kaya ako nag-BSA.
the hardest subject. Accountancy sa joke lang. Ano talaga, auditing problem. Taxation. Taxation.
Income taxation.
Sa akin.
Isa yung problem.
Hindi ako nagbabasa. Hindi, ang dami kasing percent na itatandaan, laming concepts. Have you had thoughts in shifting course?
Yes. Last year, pag-isip ko rin na mag-shift natin kasi bumagsak sa isang major subject which is the income taxation. And naisip ko talaga mag-shift kasi nahirapan ako sabihin sa parents ko na bumagsak talaga ako. So, yun talaga pinaka main reason ko. And sabi ko nga, mas kinakatakutan ko kasi yung sasabihin ng iba sa akin kung bumagsak ako. So, parang mag-start na lang ako and parang napakinaan ako ng loob siguro. So, yun, time talaga na check na.
How's accountancy?
Mahirap po.
Exhausting, yet fulfilling because of career opportunities.
As my journey in reaching this point, what is important in life is to not always depend on the things that come easily, which you have not exerted effort or hard work. You need to motivate and wipe your own tears because as this accountancy journey is not linear, you still end up at the same destination. CPA in transit, and will definitely get the title soon. As an accountancy student, you must have endured a lot of pain and sacrificed a lot to survive. You must have cried secretly a lot of times. You must have questioned yourself, am I taking the right path? Am I really suited for this course? Do I really can? You must have thought of giving up and finding a way out. You must have thought of changing courses multiple times, but find yourself enrolling again on BSH and pursuing that CPA title.
As an accountancy student, my primary objective is to successfully complete the program and acquire the necessary qualifications to pass the CPA licensure examination. With this, I am confident that I will have the knowledge, skills, and competencies to excel in the field of accounting.
Above all difficulties,
Given the uncertainties and too many failures,
always choose to move forward.
that someday you'll look back on these things as something easy and surely. By that time, your college self are so proud of you.
That regardless of how tired and drained you are, you don't give up. You don't just accept life, you lead it. Because when you accept life, you are living the life that's not worthy of your time and effort.
But when you lead your life, you work hard and make things happen.
We don't just double rule, we rule our own life. We don't just exist, we're living and working for our desired life.
Indeed, Bicol University molded us holistically, not just academically.
Again, as Bicol University take the credit, we as BUNU process the debit. And once a BUNU, always a BUNU.
Ayun.